Hello and welcome to Open House. Our mission at Internet Academy is by building meaningful relationships, Internet Academy will create responsive and individualized academic experiences in an online environment that prepares scholars to be confident and competent in the 21st century as adults. There's a message from the principal that I will put on later. Monthly Progress Report, MPR. You need to have your work done for the weeks shown. So here's our MPR dates, due dates, and it shows the week that is shown. If you get a satisfactory, that means that a student has completed most or all of the work. An unsatisfactory means that a student has not completed enough work. If you are unsatisfactory, if your work is unsatisfactory, you are required to meet with me to discuss a plan to get back on track. How to connect with me. Mostly the best way is through your inbox. Okay, you're going to go to your inbox, you're going to go to the pencil, that will prop open a new little box screen, and then you can look for this little person and click on that and then write Julie Johnston. And that's how you'll be able to email me. Please set your calendar. Go to the calendar, click to access your calendar right here, and then over here, click on, make that IA Essentials. Click on that so that your IA Essentials will turn on all of the events that happen in our school and days off. IA model. How IA works, we are an asynchronous school with synchronous supports. Asynchronous means students complete their classwork on their schedule as long as they meet monthly progress deadlines. And it allows students to work at their own pace and review and rewatch lessons to clarify concepts. Students reach out to the teacher for help as needed. Synchronous means virtual classes occur during a set time each week. Students can participate in real-time discussion and ask questions. So that's the live Zooms. We'll look at that schedule. And support sessions will be on Friday. Our live Zoom schedule is Monday is homeroom. Homeroom is I will be teaching second step lessons, learning about social skills, how to learn at IA, and technology skills, and a way to get to know our classmates. So in 3rd, 4th, and 5th, core classes are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. In the core classes, I will teach Wonders reading lessons. In those lessons, you will analyze fiction and nonfiction texts. We'll have a small break, and then we'll work on math. On Friday, for homeroom, we will review what we learned that week. And I will ask you if you need support. If you need support, stay after class. These classes will be shorter. On Friday, the class time will be shorter so that I can have support meetings. So on Mondays, we're learning about second step. These are the topics in second step. Introducing the new ELA McGraw-Hill or Wonders program. This is what your books look like. This is the McGraw-Hill icon for in the Canvas. There are both we have e-books or online versions of the books and physical books. Please pick up your physical book at the school. You can use, it's up to you, your choice. You can use the online version or you can use the real book. It's a learning style. It meets whichever one meets your learning style. Students should follow along with me as I teach them. Write in the book and ask questions as the class works through these lessons. Students can play vocabulary games independently. You should be looking on the online version regardless, because there is a to-do list that you need to do with assignments. Lexia. How Lexia works is it takes the place of reading groups. Students work on it for 40 plus minutes a week. It notifies me of students who need extra support. I email you a lesson for you to work on with your student until they understand the concept. You let me know that you have delivered the instruction. I will push the button on Lexia to let your student advance. Students continue to learn at their own level. For iReady. iReady Math happens during the week, during the core classes. And it has a physical book. The Canvas work is meant to go with the book. There are page numbers in the Canvas work that align with the book. Work through the math one lesson at a time. I've outlined an example of how you could do that Monday through Friday here. It was meant it was written so that you could do one lesson a day, pretty much, until Friday. Then you need to do the quiz. Or some students like to do their math all in one day, and that is okay. It's a learning style. Online work. My path is at your student's level. The teacher assigned lessons have due dates, so sometimes I will assign a lesson that maybe one student will get the lesson because I feel like that student needs some review or some advancement. Maybe the whole class needs to review subtract 3-digit numbers, and so I'll push out a assignment for you. But please complete it by the due dates. The diagnostics or the tests will be 3 times a year: September, January, and June. In September, right now, your student should be taking the iReady diagnostic, both in math and in reading. Social studies and science. They're both asynchronous, so complete them as fast as you want. You must not get behind the current week. In Canvas, after you submit your assignment, I grade it, and I will comment next to your assignment. I will make sure you check your grade. So please make sure that you check your grade. If it is not full credit, there will be an explanation of why it's not full credit, and you can resubmit it. This is another way that I can teach you. These are your class syllabus for each class that I teach you. They are also found in the welcome units. Okay, you could have spoken with your PE and music teacher. And thank you for coming to open house or watching the video. Have a great day.